Hey guys, how's it going and welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how we can properly lock out the user if the user has signed in, or let's say the user has signed up to the app itself. So over here in our settings view controller, what we have done in this lockout button tab function is that we are just mocking the behavior of the signing up process. So what we do is we show the animation, and then we show the animation for half a second, 0.5 over here, and then we hide the animation, and then we direct the page to the onboarding screen. Okay, so what we can do is that we can put in the lockout code over here, and whether to show the animation or to not to show the animation is completely up to you. So maybe I will just show you how this will look like without any of this animation displaying. Okay, so first thing I'll do is to come to our password /auth documentation over here, the same one that we were in, and if you scroll all the way to the bottom, there is this sign out piece of code over here. So I'm just going to copy this as a reference. Okay, so let me just paste this over here. So let me just walk you through what this does. So we first need to get an instance of the auth object from Firebase, and then we will call the signup method. And notice that this is wrapped within the do catch block. Okay, so what we can do first is to just import the Firebase auth. Okay, and then we can do auth.auth.signout, but again, notice that this function throws an error over here. So every time we see a function that throws an error, we need to wrap this within the do catch block over here. And what I would prefer to do is to do it this way instead. I'll do try, and then instead of just doing it this way to cast this into an NS error, I can just do a let error over here, and then I'll just print this over here, error.localize, error.localize description. Okay, so if this is successful, then I can just get the presenter manager to bring me into the onboarding screen. Alright guys, so I'm just going to register a brand new user and click on the lockout button to see how this look like. I believe from my last experience, this happens in a split second, and this may not really be the best UI in my opinion, but I'm going to show you nevertheless. So let's see who we can register now. Maybe a Kelvin 5. So let's come into the simulator. Let's go to Kelvin 5 at example.com. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Password confirmation 3 4 5 6 7 8. Hit the sign up button. We should go into the home view control. Let's come to the settings and let's click on the lockout button. So notice that this will happen in a split second. Alright guys, so I'm not sure if this behavior is something that you like. Personally, I would prefer to have a slight delay to kind of, tell the user that, hey, we are doing something, please wait for a while. So maybe I'll just bring back this animation here. Again, this is really up to you. So I'm going to uncomment this. And then what I can do is that I'm just going to give myself some space over here, and I'm going to bring in this function over here. Just copy this in. I can remove this. And then, so this is basically the success case, okay, from here to here. So I can also just bring this in here, okay. Let me see. Yep, this should work. Okay, so I can just remove this. I no longer need this anymore. Delay for this. Okay, good. So guys, I'm going to try this one more time, and let me just rerun the app one more time. Okay, so the animation is going to show for 5 seconds, and then we will perform the actual lockout itself. Okay, but I think there could be a potential bug over here, guys. So what's going to happen is that if we are entering line 32, then this animation will not stop. So this is a problem as well. So what we can do is that we can just paste this inside over here as well. Okay, so let me run this one more time. Okay, get started. Okay, so let's go with Kelvin 6, I believe, at example.com. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's click on the sign up button. Okay, come to the settings. Again, I'm going to just click on the logout button. Okay, there's some kind of animation over there, and it brings me back to the onboarding screen. Alright guys, this is all I have for you in this video. I'll see you in the next one.